They are bulldozing the Amazon to host the climate summit. Watch exclusive footage of the destruction and our panel react on this insane hypocrisy.
How dare you! First hijacking my climate cause, and then build a horrendous 4-lane highway right through the pristine rainforest!
Brazil is honored to host this climate summit. The world has been talking about the Amazon much too long. We should talk in the Amazon.
Morales, this is the problem with capitalism. We must share the forest, not pave it. This road destroys habitat for the poor birds.
This proves the elites are lying. They fly in on jets, drive on dead trees, and eat bugs while you own nothing.
This is a disaster. They are paving over the lungs of the world for a party. This Avenida Liberdade is a highway to hell. They are evicting Indigenous and Quilombola communities who weren't even consulted. This is not climate justice. It is a crime.
Tranquilo, pinche putas! I will take care of the trees, these pesky animals, and those tribal deadbeats.
Do you have to destroy the planet to save it? Let us know your thoughts on this hypocrisy below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.